In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase speed in ElevenLabs. This simple process will have your audio generated in no time, and you'll be able to customize the pace to suit your specific needs. Let's get started. First, make sure to open your preferred web browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you typically use. Just ensure it's up to date, as this helps with the smooth operation of the ElevenLabs platform. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the ElevenLabs website. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar or simply searching for it through your search engine if you don't have it bookmarked yet. Now, once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials, which include your username and password, and click the login button. For those of you who are new users, there should be an option to sign up on the same page. Just follow the instructions provided, and you'll be registered in no time. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Pay close attention to the settings sidebar that's located on the right side of your screen. This panel is your control center for managing various aspects of your audio output. In particular, you'll want to focus on the section labeled Speed. Right under this category, you'll find a slider. This slider allows you to adjust the speed of the audio from slow to fast. It's a user-friendly tool designed to give you full control over how quick or slow your output will be. If you prefers faster speech for dynamic presentations or slower for clear, detailed explanations, this feature is perfect for tailoring the audio to your specific taste. Go ahead and adjust the slider to the right to increase the speed. Once you've set it to your desired level, initiate the speech generation by clicking on the Generate Speech button. This will cue the system to produce a sample of your settings. Listen carefully to the output. It's important to make sure that the speed aligns with what you're aiming for. If it sounds right and matches your expectations, you're good to go. If not, feel free to adjust the slider again until you find the perfect speed. Once you're happy with the results, you'll have a couple of options. You can either download the audio file directly to your device, making it easy to access and use in your projects, or share it through the platforms offered by ElevenLabs. And that's it. Streamlined, efficient, and highly customizable. You've now mastered the steps to increase speed in ElevenLabs. Happy creating!